GEARS is a key methodology from the analysts toolbox to help us to assure the success of digital projects right at the start of the software development cycle at the discovery stage. Computers don't understand business. Computers don't understand ideas. Indeed, outside of some well-defined and limited context, computers don't really understand human beings at all. Throughout my career, I feel I've been trying to bridge just this gap. My job has been to figure out how best to deliver the visions of video game designers, long-haired and wild-eyed creative marketeers, and some more sober digital entrepreneurs. Here's a little of what I've learned about digitizing their ideas and the approach that I now instinctively take when pursuing the art of the strategic digital conversation. To digitize the most abstract, the most colourful, the most ambitious, the most human of ideas, we first need to ditch their adjectives and adverbs. These are the fluff, the blah blah blah, that is meaningless to computers and engineers and hides the true structure of the business idea. Don't worry, we will replace them later with numbers and KPIs that engineers and computers do understand. In the worst case example, I once stripped a 40-page document down to just a few paragraphs in order to uncover what the actual software proposal, the actual money-making machine was all about. First, we need to pick out the meaningful verbs and nouns from which structured business engines can be constructed. Verbs describe the processes that do things for the business. Nouns describe the digital assets and knowledge that do matter to the business, the number of customers, levels of satisfaction, and the money that we like to count. In combination, these are powerful pairs, such as make money. In the absence of anything more insightful or world-changing, make money is my favourite noun-verb combo to define a business idea. Make money reminds engineers of the purpose of the software and becomes the generic root, hierarchically described business idea. This is the blueprint of our money-making machine. Enough alliteration for now, Mr. Morrison. The next layer of our hierarchy is the digital value chain that tells us how we deliver the business idea. We can acquire some unique asset, onboard customers, exchange value, take payment, and promote viral evangelism. This would be an ideal B2C value chain itself. From there on down, we explore the processes and capabilities required to deliver each parent processes with ever more precisely defined verbs and nouns. We keep going until we discover what is unique to the business idea, the special combination of capabilities, distinct competencies, and strategic assets that every business must have to differentiate itself and battle with their competition. We can also restructure or refactor in the language of the computer scientist our process hierarchy until we have the simplest, most powerful blueprint. If you know McKinsey's MECE principle, this is the digital version of their famous approach to analysing business issues. By avoiding a reliance on well-meaning verbiage and unnecessarily complex technology terms, we discovered the actual digital operating strategy, as well as providing a common language and understanding of how the business actually works, a phrase we keep coming back to in our work. We have discovered many other benefits of using the tools of traditional business strategy in the digital world. These blueprints provide strong guidance for management stakeholders and software professionals in planning their projects. Do stick around for more of these benefits and case studies in other videos. Drop me a line, give me a call. Let me know your digital challenge and I'll be happy to share an opinion or two along the way.
Remember, he has a broken one.
Thank you for your time today. Bye-bye.